Myself Anjumara Panwala from Gajra International School, Katargam, Surat. Today I will teach you English subject for 4th standard, and today we will learn literature. Okay, so from literature, English Rose book, I have taken prose 2, Alice in Wonderland. Okay, so I will tell you how is the story and what happened in the story. Okay, so are you ready to listen? Yes. So let's start. Okay, the story is about Alice. Okay, Alice is the main character. Okay, and it's about a wonderland. You know what is wonderland? Wonderland is an imaginary world. So many times you think that you like chocolates. Okay, so you think that if there is a world of chocolate, everything is about chocolate, so you will go and you will eat anytime, anywhere. Okay, so here also it is an imaginary world. The theme is imaginary theme. Okay, and it is written by author is Lewis Carroll. Okay, so he has written many children's book. Okay, and this Alice is the main character in this story. He has written about Alice many stories. Okay, so Alice in the Wonderland is a movie also. Okay, so you can find out the cartoon movie too. So Alice is the main character in the story, and Alice is very curious and young girl like you. Like you like to know the new things. You are very eager to know that what is this, how is this. Okay, so like that, whenever Alice watches any new things, she wants to know more and more about the things, and she lives in the Wonderland imaginary world. Okay, so it is an imaginary world, but whenever we read the story, we listen the story, we also go into the imaginary world. Okay, so the story starts from that incident that Alice sits in the garden area. Okay, and Alice is getting bored, so she finds suddenly she finds a rabbit. A rabbit is not a normal rabbit. Okay, the rabbit is having the human qualities. Okay, so the rabbit is white. The rabbit is having the waistcoat, and from the waistcoat the rabbit takes out a watch and seeing the time in the watch. And so Alice is attracted to the rabbit. Why? Because rabbit is having the human quality. So Alice wants to know why the rabbit can talk. Okay, it is a new thing, it is a strange thing. Okay, so Alice sees the rabbit is going to the hole, so she also follows to rabbit in his hole. Okay, so the hole is very deep. Okay, and what Alice finds herself, where Alice finds herself, she finds herself in a big hall, and there she is alone, and that hall is lit up with the rows of the lamps. Okay, in the ceiling. So now Alice finds that it is different. It is different thing. So now Alice is trying to see from where she can come out from this area. So she investigates this hall, and she finds there are many doors. Okay, so the doors are big, but there is no key. But she finds that there is a curtain, and behind the curtain there is the small door. So she is very happy that wow, the door is there, and she can find out one key on the middle of the hall. On the glass table there is having a small golden key. Okay, so she is very happy that yes, I can open the door, and she tries, and she thinks that this door can be open. Okay, so she checked it and the key was working, so she's very happy. But the door is the small door, so now only the head of the Alice can enter, okay, in that door. It is like that kind of size. So now there is again a difficulty to go, okay, and she can peep into the door, that little door, and she finds there is a wonderland. Okay, there is a garden area, and the garden area is like how you finds in the cartoon movie. Okay, cartoons. Okay, all the things is different, imaginary. Okay, so like that she finds the area is the garden is very beautiful, and she had never seen this kind of garden. So she is very happy, but how to go? Now there is the question how to enter in the garden. Okay, so she finds a key, and the key is fitted in that door, small door. So she is finding that there is any kind of map or any book that will guide her how to go in the garden. But what she finds a bottle, liquid bottle on the glass table. So on that bottle there is a tag, drink me. There is written drink me. So now just imagine if you would be there in place of Alice, what you would do? Will you drink that liquid? If there is a strange thing, if there is a tiffin box, okay, near the railway station you will find a tiffin box. So there is written open me. Will you open the tiffin box? No, it's very risky. Don't try it. Okay, so Alice is having no any kind of sense. She just wants to do what she wants. Okay, so she drinks the liquids, and what she finds? She is now 10 inches high. Okay, she becomes like this small, and she is at the perfect size of the door. So now she is very happy. Yes, I will enter in the garden. But she forgets the key on the glass table. Now how to get the key? Because now she is very short and she cannot reach to the glass table. Okay, and glass table means it is very sleepy. Okay, so she cannot climb. Okay, now there is again question how to go in the garden. The key is on the table. Okay, now she finds a glass box under the glass table, and she finds the glass box, and on the box there is written eat me. And when she opened the box, there is a cake. Okay, so she eats the small piece of cake. Okay, so she finds it is very delicious. Okay, do you like cakes? Yes, so don't eat that kind of cake. Okay, if it is risky, don't eat. This girl is eating, and she likes delicious cake, and she eats more cake, okay, in big amount. So she becomes too large. And how much large it is like her head touches the ceiling of the hall. So here the end comes to this incident of the story. The story is big, but that much story is given in our textbook. Okay, so this is the small part how her journey moves. Okay, and at every step she finds difficulties, but she is very strong. She never gives up. She moves and moves, and completes her task. Okay, and now she becomes too much tall. And why it happens because of her mischievousness, nonsense. Okay, because she has to eat the small part of the piece, but she eats much part. Okay, so what we learn from the story? Yes, I can say in my words that we learn from the story that we should not go to follow to the strange things. Okay, we should not believe on the strange things, and we should think twice, thrice, and many times before we follow, before we act. Otherwise, what will happen? We will lose something. We will lose our parents. We will reach to that world that we cannot come again, come back from that place. Okay, so here also there is too much difficulties in Alice's life. Okay, so I hope you like the video, you understand the story, and I complete my task to make you understand the story. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, and I will be waiting for your comments, and please write the good comment also. And if you have any doubt, you can also ask me. I will be very happy. And thank you. Okay, for the next video, please wait for me. Bye bye.